before we get to hunting, let's first ask Ben here what happened to his knees.
This morning I was driving my dirt bike and I popped some wheelies and then I flew off my bike.
Looped it.
Yeah, I looped.
Then the bike dragged him behind it. Okay, so me and Ben were talking here. We were making jokes and stuff, and then when I look behind me, I see Vernon. He's like 20 meters behind us. I check him, he's on his knee, and I hear the shot go off. He eats this one, so yeah. So if me and Ben can talk a little bit less and shoot more, maybe we can get some. But yeah, Ben's gonna take over one of the rifles now. I'm gonna take the video over, so yeah. Okay, so today was day one of our video. Me, Ben and Vernon was out here. Vernon got that one bed. The wind's starting to pick up, so we're gonna get home. It's getting dark, so yeah. Tomorrow we'll have another day up. We're going to be up early. We're going to Ben's house, and then we're gonna go shoot with his CO2 pallet, my pallet, .22. We'll see what we. Okay, guys. So today we're here at Ben's farm. We are shooting with his air rifle today. So it is really cold for the English. The wind is like crazy. It's like crazy, but we are going to see if we can get some guinea fowl today, some pigeons, any type of bird that is big enough for us to shoot. So yeah, let's get to it. So the wind is crazy. We found just a little bit of trees here to cover the wind a bit. But yeah, we are going back now. We didn't get anything before the birds go. I said the wind picks up, blows them away. So we're gonna go drink some coffee, and then we're going to a water pool and see if we can get something there. So. Laka.
How's this guy go?
Bass. Largemouth bass. Beautiful thing. Stick my rack op. Lekker out hier in de bush.
The wind's pumping.
Ja, ja.
We almost at the water point here in front, so maybe we can get something. I don't know, but we'll see.
Toep.
We staan in daai minuut.
Toep. Is dat een tak? Heel langs. Okay, so we got one pigeon, this little fulky here, two mice foals as we call it, and yeah, we're going for lunch break, and then we'll come back, get something else. But the wind is not like it today. It keeps turning, then it comes from front, then back, so yeah. But we make it work. So let's get to it. Okay, so we are at the end of our video. Here's some of the birds we shot. Others we lost as we were going. There's two lory birds, that's what the quail is in English, and two pigeons and a mice fowl. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button as we smashed some birds this weekend or this week. And yeah, subscribe, we'll appreciate it. And until next time.